So when I was new to drawing, I really struggled to make my drawings look good, and in particular the accuracy and proportions of my own drawing. But with dedicated practice and years of experience under my belt, I've managed to improve my own drawing skill, and in particular accuracy and proportions. Taking this knowledge that I learned over the years, I'm sharing 5 tips that can radically improve your accuracy and proportions, which I have used to propel my own drawing skill. Stick around until the end, where I reveal all of these 5 tips and tricks to help you improve your own drawing skill. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So my first tip is to start with basic forms and basic shapes. So when most beginners start any drawing, they go way too detailed at the first instant. They forget that underlining structure and foundation. But to improve your foundations, to improve your accuracy and proportions, start any drawings with either cylinders, circles, triangles, cones, or boxes, which are basic forms and basic shapes that will help you build a solid foundation for any drawing that you create before adding the details to those foundations. It's helped me improve my own drawing skill so much, and it's going to help yours too. So that's the first tip. Start with basic forms and basic shapes. My second tip is to draw upside down. So this is in particular if you're drawing from a reference photograph, but I do this time and time again to help me with my accuracy and also proportions. You can see I do it in my portrait drawings, but if you're getting stuck or you spent a long time on a drawing and it doesn't look quite right, flip the photograph upside down and also your drawing to help you see and notice any mistakes. It really helped improve my overall drawing skill, and it will definitely help yours too. So if you're getting a bit stuck and lost within a drawing, flip it upside down and then draw from that, and then return to it by flipping it the right way. So that's the second tip. My third tip is a real game changer within my drawing skill. So when I was actually new to drawing, like I was saying at the start of this video, most of my accuracies and proportions weren't correct. But this one tip has radically improved my overall drawing skill the most out of all these tips I've shared with you so far. I want you to break down an image into grid lines. So take that image and put grid lines horizontally and vertically and copy that through to your drawing. As you copy that through to your drawing, so you're drawing those grid lines on that piece of paper, your brain can see where those elements are on that page, which you can reference. It can really help improve your accuracy, because you can just see, okay, that element goes there next to that line, and that element goes there next to that line. It will radically improve your overall drawing skill. My next tip is analyze, track, and monitor. I've got to put my hands up to this one, because when I was quite new to drawing and I only had a few years under my belt, I wouldn't actually analyze or track exactly my progress. I just went along with it and I sort of stumbled through, and practice did get better and my drawing skill did improve. But by analysing and monitoring my overall drawing skill over time and seeing where I need to improve definitely helped me the most. See how well you captured the essence of a photograph, see how well you drew the accuracies and the proportions of a face, and keep monitoring and analysing and be your own art tutor. And then my last tip is to use imaginary lines. So when I'm drawing anything, I always analyse everything with these imaginary lines in my head. So how do the eyes align to one another? How does the nose and also the lips align to one another? How does everything on that face align to one another? I just keep asking myself these sort of questions in my head when I'm drawing. So basically relate everything on your drawing to one another and also your reference photograph. It will definitely help your overall accuracy and proportions. Don't forget to give this video a like, share to your friends and your family, and subscribe to the Portrait Guru. And I really recommend you checking out this video, which will help your overall drawing skill. See you on the next video.